Hope Wellness Institute. Today I'm going to teach you a recipe for a smoothie. My smoothie has 1 cup of green juice and then other good things for your body. So I use this smoothie when I feel a little bit tired or I feel like I want more nutrients in my body to strengthen my immune system, or I even want something like sweet but healthy. Also, I use this like to give a boost to my digestive system. It's very good, especially if you suffer like sometimes with constipation or other digestive issues. This is such a good way to help your body. But also like just to take a break for a few hours, don't eat a meal, just have a good smoothie and give to your digestive system a break. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you what I usually put in my juice and then what I put in my smoothie, okay? So we're gonna start with the ingredients for the green juice. For that I use like 1 whole box of spinach, okay? And then I use the celery, 1 bunch of celery. I use 1 big cucumber, 1 lemon, and I also use like 2 inches of organic ginger. If you can get everything organic, it's so good for your body, so you don't get other toxins in your body. That's the purpose we're doing this, so we get better and healthier. So this will be my freshly squeezed green juice. So for my smoothie, I'm going to use a cup of it, or maybe 1.5 cups, depends in what mood I am in the day, what I need, okay? So now I'm going to teach you about the smoothie. So I'm going to use the juice, and on top of that, I'm going to use 1/4 of pineapple chunks, just 1/4, because this is very sweet and I use them more like for the digestive enzymes that are in the pineapple. I'm also going to use 1 cup of wild blueberries. Wild blueberries are great for detox and pulling out the metals from your body. So 1 cup of frozen ones will go the best. I usually don't use fresh blueberries because in the smoothie, the frozen ones are like amazing, okay? Let's see what else. I like to put 1 cup of arugula because it gives such a nice taste, like to everything, like, I don't know, like the sweetness combined with some arugula, and you feel it very little, but it's a good taste. And what else do I use? I'm putting usually mega magnesium. Magnesium is very good for you, and usually we don't get enough, like from the soil. So this will be great like to use from time to time or even every day. It's very good for you, especially like to relax, and also gives nutrients to your body, right? And if I want some chocolatey smoothie, I will use the vegan protein. This is the chocolate one. It's from the Sun Warrior blend. This is how it looks. I use very little, usually like between 1/4 scoop or 1/2 scoop, but not more. That's all I need for my smoothie, and of course it gives me some nice protein. And also I'm going to use some cinnamon, okay? It stabilizes blood sugar, antioxidants. So this smoothie is amazing. You can add some ice too and just enjoy it, and then eat in few hours. Give a break to your body, okay? I'm going to wash all those, go make the juice, and I'll be right back, and we're going to make the smoothies together. Okay, see you soon. I wash and cut the veggies. So we have here celery, ginger, cucumber, and the box of spinach. The one is triple washed already, so I'm gonna go juice this and come back. The freshly squeezed juice is done. It looks amazing. So I'm gonna use just 1 cup for today, and I'm gonna store the rest in the refrigerator. I can still use the rest in the next 2-3 days. All the ingredients are ready for the smoothie, so this is what we're gonna use again. 1 glass of freshly squeezed juice, arugula, magnesium, cinnamon, and here we have the pineapple, the frozen pineapple, the frozen wild blueberries, and 1/2 scoop of chocolate protein. First we're gonna add the arugula. Okay, arugula is in. Then we're gonna add the blueberries. Here comes the pineapple. the chocolate powder. Let's add now 1 milliliter of magnesium. So here it goes. Cinnamon. Okay. And the green juice. Here we go. And that's it. Let's use the NutriBullet and enjoy the smoothie. So here we have the delicious smoothie. It's ready. So pour yourself a glass. And enjoy.